Welcome back, students. So here it is your Orko sir, and I am welcoming to all of you in my channel Physics Scholar. So I have come with another new and fresh episode on mathematics trigonometry. So as you know that I have already uploaded some videos on trigonometry. Okay, so in my last previous episode, if you watch, then you see that I have discussed about the value of some trigonometric angles. Okay. 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So I also uploaded the homework in my last video at the end of the video. So today I will first solve those sums. So I hope most of you already solved that, and those who couldn't do it, no problem, I will do it for you today. You can see that, and those who have done that, you can actually see whether your sums are correct or wrong. Okay. So mathematics, why the same type of sums I am doing repeatedly? Because as much as you will practice, it will be beneficial for you, and your fear from mathematics will remove or will go away. Okay. So for your understanding, I also uploaded the values of the different angles of sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. So that I already explained in my last episode. You have missed, then subscribe the channel and also share it to your friends and write in comments, so that I can understand that what type of problems you are facing and what you want to see from my videos. Okay. So now let us start from the sum number 1. It is very easy. So as we know, what we have to find the value of cos 60 degree, cos 30 degree. Clear? So what is the value of cos 60? The value of cos 60 is half into cos 30 means what? What is the value of cos 30? You can see there, you have to memorize it, root 3 by 2 minus what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 value means root 3 by 2 into sin 30 means what? Half. Okay. Sin 30 means half. So it will be what? Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. Okay. So it will be what? It will be 0. So that will be your answer. So this is the solve of the first sum. Okay. So it will be what? The cos 60, value of cos 60. Value of cos 60 will be what? Half cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 will be what? Root 3 by 2 and sin 30 half. So it will be root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. So this will be cancelled, then it will be 0. So this is the first sum, very easy. Only you have to know the value. If you can put the value, then after this a simple calculation. Okay, and very easy calculation. So I hope you have understood this, and all of you actually did it at home. Clear? So now let us move to the next sum. So the cos 45, cos 30, sin 45, sin 30. Okay. So what is the value of cos 45? The value of cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Okay. Into what is the value of cos 30? The value of cos 30 is what? Root 3 by 2. Clear? Minus what is the value of sin 45? 1 by root 2. Into what is the value of sin 30? It will be half. So now it's very simple calculation. Root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So 2 root 2 will be the LCM. So root 3 minus 1. Okay. So root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Or you can do like this. Root 3 minus 1 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Clear? Then root 3 minus 1 into 2 root 2 divided by 8. Okay. So this will be your divided by what? 8. So now this will be 4. So root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by 4. So that will be your answer. So only simple calculation, nothing is there. Okay. So I am just putting the value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 by root 2, cos 30 degree root 3 by 2 minus sin 45 1 by root 2 into cos sin 30 means half. So it will be 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. 2 root 2 will be LCM. So root 3 minus 1. So we are multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2 root 2 to omit the root 2 from the denominator. So root 3 minus 1 into root 2 by root 2 into 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. That means what? It will be 2 and 2 4 and root 2 and root 2 2. That means 4 into 2 means 8. Clear? And the things where it is that only I have copied here over here, and then I am just cutting 2 and 4 8. It will be 4. So root 2 into root 3 minus 1 by 4. So that will be your answer. So hope you have understood this, the very simple calculation. So now let us move to the next sum. Students, this was sum number 3rd. As your homework I have given in the last episode, you have missed, then you have to see that, otherwise you will not able to understand it properly. Clear? If it is a new thing for you. So now it is very easy. Here also some values are given. Clear? So now I have to only put the values and then simple calculation. No tricks are there. Okay. So tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3 into cosec 60 degree. Cosec means of the reciprocal of sine. So cosec 60 degree means sine 60 degree will be root 3 by 2. So it will be 2 by root 3 plus tan 60. What is the value of tan 60? Root 3 into sec 30 degree. What is the value of sec 30 degree? 2 by root 3. Okay. So now simple calculation, 2 by 3 plus what? Root 3 will be cancelled, then it will be 2. Okay. So 3 will be the LCM. So 2 plus 6. So that means 8 by 3 is equal to 2 of 2 by 3. Okay. So that will be your answer. So very easy sum. Clear? So now I am only putting the values. That means what is the trick actually? We have to remember the values. Clear? That you have to memorize. And how you will memorize that? That tricks also. If you can memorize only the sine value, okay, sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, you can determine all the other values. How? That I have discussed in my previous episode. Clear already? So now only we are putting the values, giving the values, and we are calculating. The simple calculation is there. Okay, it will be 2 root 3, root 3 into root 3 means 3. So 2 by root 3 plus 2. This is class 1 sum. Class 1 or 2 level we have done this. Okay, so very easy. Clear? So this is the sum. I hope you already did that at home, and if not, then see it. Okay, now let us move to the next sum. So students, here this is sum number 4 that I have given as your homework. So 2 cos 60, the same type of sum, we only have to put the value. So what is cos 60? Cos 60 means half. So 2 into 1 by 2 whole square, it is cos square, that's why it is whole square, plus 3 into sine 45 means 1 by root 2 whole square. Clear? Minus 3 into sine 30. What is the value of sine 30? Half square, plus cos 90. What is cos 90? Is 0. So 2 into 0. Clear? So now 2 into 1 by 4 plus 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3 into 1 by 4 plus 0. Clear? So now it will be what? 2. So 2 plus 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4. So 4 will be the LCM. So 2 plus 6 minus 3. So that means what? 8 minus 3 by 4 is equal to 5 by 4 is equal to 1 of 1 by 4. Okay. So this will be your answer. So it's very easy sum. Class 3-4 level calculation is there only. Only our calculation is what? The value of cos 60 means half. So cos square means half square. Clear? Into 3 into sine 45 means 1 by root 2. So that means 1 by root 2 whole square minus 3 into sine 30 means half. Okay. So half square plus cos 90 means 0. So 0 square means 0. So ultimately this part will be 0. Clear? So now we are doing the calculation and 5 by 4 is coming. Okay. So this is the answer of your sum. So just copy it. Okay. You can pause the video. Now let us move to the next sum. Okay students. Now this was your sum number 5 as your homework. So it is also very easy. The same type of things. Only we have to put the values. Clear? So what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 half. That means half square into what is the value of cos 45? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2 square plus what is the value of tan 30 degree? Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3 square plus half into what is the value of sine 90? Sine 90 means 1. So 1 square plus 1 by 8 into what is the value of cot 60? Cot 60 means what? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square. Clear? So that is your, so I have actually put all the values. Clear? It is completed. Now it is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 3 plus half, 1 square means 1 plus 1 by 8 into 3. Okay. So it will be what? 1 by 8 plus 4 by 3 plus half. Okay. Plus half plus 1 by 24. So 24 will be the LCM. So it will be 3 plus 32 plus 12 plus 1. So 32 and 12 44 47, 48. 48 by 24. So it will be 2. So that will be your answer. Okay. So very easy sum. Clear? Only the calculation, normal calculation. So I am putting the values. Sine means 30 means half. So half square into cos 45 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 square plus 4 tan square 30 means 1 by root 3 whole square into 4 plus half into sine 90 means 1. So 1 square cos 90 means 0, sin 90 means 1 plus 1 by 8 into cot 60 degree means 1 by root 3 whole square. Clear? Now only that simple calculation and we are getting the answer 2. So that will be your answer. So hope you can understand, you can do this sum if this type of sums comes in the examination. So students, now let us move to the sum number 6. So now students, it is sum number 6 as the homework. So here we know the value of cos 0 degree, cos 45, cos 30, cos 90, cos 60. Clear? Now only we will put the value. What is the value of cos 0 degree? Cos 0 degree value of cos 0 degree 1 plus cos 45 means 1 by root 2 plus sin 30 degree. What is the value of sin 30 degree? Half. Clear? Into what is the value of sin 90? Sin 90 value is 1 minus what is the value of cos 40? 1 by root 2 plus what is the value of cos 60 degree? Cos 60 degree value is half. Okay. So that means how you can write 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by root 2, we can write it into 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by root 2. So this part is A and this part is B. Okay, this part is B. So what? A plus B into A minus B. So what we can write? 1 plus 2 whole square minus 1 by root 2 square, A square minus B square formula. Okay. So it will be what? 2 LCM. So 2 plus 1 whole square minus 1 by 2. Okay. So it will be what? 3 by 2 whole square minus 1 by 2 is equal to 9 by 4 minus 1 by 2. 4 will be the LCM. So it will be 9 minus 2. So it will be what? 7 by 2. Okay. 7 by 4 is equal to what? 1 by 3 of 4. Okay. So this will be your answer. So very easy sum. Okay. So hope you have understood this. So what I am doing here, only you can do here the normal calculation also. So the same answer will come. So I am just transferring here it 1 plus half plus 1 by root 2, 1 plus half minus 1 by root 2. So this part is A and this part will be. So A plus B into A minus B. That means A square minus B square. So what is A? 1 plus half whole square minus 1 by root 2 whole square. So it is LCM. So 2 plus 1 by 2. That means what? 3 by 2. That means what? 9 by 4. And 1 by root 2 square means half. So 9 by 4 minus half. So 4 will be LCM. So it will be 9 minus 2. So 7 by 4 is equal to 1 of 3 by 4. Okay. So that is your answer. So students, you can pause the video and you can copy this sum. So it's very easy. So I hope you have understood this. Okay. So now let us move to the next sum, sum number 7. Students, now it is sum number 7 that I have given as your homework. So we have to prove. Prove means the answer is given. I told earlier. Clear? So this is equal to this. So left hand side. Left hand side. What is that? 1 minus sin 60 degree divided by whole divided by cos 60 degree. So 1 minus what is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. And what is the value of cos 60? The value of cos 60 will be half. So it will be 2 will be LCM. So 2 plus root 3 by half. Clear? So 2 plus root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. Clear? So it will be 2 plus root 3. Okay? So right hand side. Right hand side, what is that? Tan 60 degree minus 1 by tan 60 degree plus 1. What is the value of tan 60 degree? Root 3. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So we have to do now. Root 3 minus 1 into root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So the opposite side, root 3 minus 1, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So the upper side will be root 3 minus 1 whole square by A plus B into A minus B. So A square minus B square. Clear? So what is coming? A square whole square formula minus 2AB plus B square divided by 3 minus 1. Root 3 square means 3. Okay. So it will be 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay. So it will be 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 common, it will be a square it will be what, root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Okay, so here it will be minus. Okay, here it will be minus. Clear? It is minus is there, so it will be minus. Okay, no problem. So 2 LCM, so 2 minus root 3 by 2. So it will be what, 2 minus root 3. See, 2 minus root 3 is coming. Okay, and here also it's 2 minus root 3. Clear? So that means what? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Okay, so that will be your answer. Clear? So I am explaining it once again. So it is 1 minus sin 60 degree by cos 60 degree. So 1 minus root 3 by 2 by half. Okay, so 2 minus root 3 by half. So 2 minus root 3 is this is equal to 2 minus root 3. Clear? Now tan 60 degree. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So now root 3 minus 1 we are multiplying both numerator and denominator. So root 3 into minus 1 into root 3 minus 1. So root 3 minus 1 whole square divided by a plus b into a minus b. That means a square minus b square. So this formula a square minus 2ab plus b square divided by what? Root 3 square means 3 minus 1. Okay, so it is root 3 square means 3 minus 2 root 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, 3 minus 1 means what? 2. So 3 plus 1 means what? 4 minus 2 root 3 by 2. So 2 common. So it will be 2 minus root 3 by 2. So 2 will be cancelled, then 2 minus root 3. So left hand side is also 2 minus root 3, right hand side is also 2 minus root 3. So that means what? We can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So very easy sum, you can pause the video and you can see the sum, you can copy the sum. Okay, or those who have done it, you can just recheck it whether it was right or wrong. Clear? So now without further delay, let us move to the sum number 8. So students, now let us solve sum number 8 which was given as your homework. So it is also we have to prove. Proof means answer is given, we can come to know whether my sum is correct or wrong. Clear? So left hand side. What is left hand side? Sin 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Basically it is the formula sin a cos b minus cos a sin b, but we will not apply that formula now. In the higher classes you can apply the formula directly. Clear? So now what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into what is the value of cos 30? Cos 30 means same root 3 by 2 minus what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 means half. What is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 is also half. Clear? So that means what? 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So 3 minus 1 by 4. That means what? 2 by 4. That means what? Half. Okay. So that is your left hand side. So right hand side is equal to what? Sin 30 degree. What is the value of sin 30 degree? Half. Okay. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? Very easy sum. Only we are putting the value and doing the calculation. It is coming half. Then sin 30 degree value is also half. Okay. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. So it's very easy sum. Hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 9. So students, now let us move to the sum number 9. Okay, so it is also we have to prove this plus this is equal to this. So left hand side, what is given? Cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. So what is the value of cos 60? Cos 60 value means half into root 3 by 2 plus sin 60 means what? Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into half. Clear? So it will be what? Root 3 by 4 plus root 3 by 4. Okay. So 2 root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2. Now right hand side. Right hand side means cos 30 degree. What is the value of cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. So that means what? This is also root 3 by 2. This is also root 3 by 2. So what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is also proved. Okay. So very easy. So I am only putting the value of cos 60 cos 30 sin 60 sin 30 and root 3 by 2 is coming and cos 30 degree value is also root 3 by 2. That means left hand side is equal to right hand side. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 10. So students, this is the sum number 10. you can check in the previous episode. This was the sum number 10 as your homework. So here also you have to prove this is equal to this. So now left hand side, what? 2 sin 30 degree into cos 30 degree. Clear? So that means what? 2 into what is the value of sin 30? Sin 30 half into cos 30 means what? Cos 30 means root 3 by 2. That means what? Very easy. So it will be root 3 by 2. Okay. So right hand side, what? Sin 60 degree. What is the value of sin 60? Root 3 by 2. So that means what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So this is proved. Clear? So very easy. So here all the values you have to prove. Sin you have to put sin 30 cos 30 and then okay right hand side sin 60. So the value are same. Okay. So that means what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. So now students, let us move to the sum number 11. So it is sum number 11 as your which was given as your homework. So this is equal to this. That means the answer is given. Clear? Left hand side, 2 sin 45 degree into cos 45 degree, 2 into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2. So this will be cancelled. That means 1. Clear? So right hand side, what? Sin 90 degree is equal to 1. So that means what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. So very simple and easy sum. Clear? So only we are putting the values and we are calculating, and it is showing that left hand side is equal to right hand side. In both the cases the value will be 1. So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 12. So students, sum number 12. So sin A of A minus B is equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So basically this is the formula. Clear? We have to use it in the upper classes. This is the formula, sin of A minus B formula. Now here the value of A is given, the value of B. Two angles are there, A and B angles of a triangle, that is given 60 degree and 30 degree. Clear? So we have to verify. That means left hand side and this will be the right hand side. So what will be that? Left hand side, sin of A minus B is equal to sin of 60 degree minus 30 degree. Value is given, A is 60, B is 30, is equal to sin of 30 degree is equal to what? Half. Clear? So right hand side, what is given? Sin A cos B minus cos A sin B is equal to what is the value of sin A? A means 60 degree into cos 30 degree minus cos 60 into sin 30 degree. So what is the value of sin 60? Sin 60 means root 3 by 2 into cos 30 is also root 3 by 2 minus cos 60. What is the value of cos 60? Half into sin 30 is also half. Clear? So it will be 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So 3 minus 1 by 4. So 2 by 4. So that means 1 by 2. See both the cases it is 1 by 2. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Okay. So that means what? This is equal to this. It is, we have to verify that it is already verified. So left hand side we are only putting the value of A and B over here. B is 60 degree and B is 30 degree. So that means what? Sin 60 minus 30 means sin 30, so half. So now it is given sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. So we are putting the value of A and B over there and we are getting the values because we know the value already, sin 60 cos 30 and cos 60 sin 30. And after doing calculation both the cases left hand side and right hand side it is coming half. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. It is verified. Now let us move to the sum number 13. So now almost similar type of sum. Cos of A minus B you have to prove cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. This is the formula actually. Okay, cos of A minus B formula. So now same type, left hand side, cos of A minus B is equal to cos of 60 degree minus 30 degree is equal to cos of 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. Clear? So right hand side, what? Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Clear? So cos 60 degree into cos 30 degree plus sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. What is the value of cos 60? Half into root 3 by 2 minus what is the value of sine 60 degree? Root 3 by 2 into half. Clear? So root 3 by 4 minus plus root 3 by 4. So 2 root 3 by 4. So root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2 and it is also root 3 by 2. That means what? Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Verified. Clear? We have to verify that. If the value of a and b is 60 and 30, then we have to verify cos of a minus b into is equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Now we are putting the value of a and b and this is coming, and right hand side we are putting all the values of cos 60 cos 30 sin 60 sin 30 and this is coming. So both the left hand side and right hand side are same. That's why we can write left hand side equal to right hand side. It is verified. Clear? Now the last sum as which was given as your homework, and then we will move to the new and fresh sums. Okay, so let me solve the sum number 14 which was given as your homework, the last sum. Clear? So students, similar type of sum, tan of a minus b is equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. That is also the formula of tan a minus b. Clear? So in the upper classes we will learn that. Okay, when I will do the sum of class 11, then this type of many sums we will do. Clear? By using this formula. Okay, so now here also the same a and b is given. Okay, so left hand side is what? Tan of a minus b is equal to tan of 60 degree minus 30 degree is equal to tan of 30 degree is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, so right hand side is what? Tan of a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b is equal to tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree. We are putting the value 1 plus tan 60 into tan 30 degree. So what is the value of tan 60? Tan 60 value is root 3 minus 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus root 3 into 1 by root 3. Okay, so root 3 will be the LCM. So 3 minus 1 divided by this will be cancelled. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 2. Clear? So 2 by root 3 into what? 1 by 2. Okay, so this will be cancelled. That means 1 by root 3. So see, this is 1 by root 3, this is also 1 by root 3. So that means what we can write? Left hand side is equal to right hand side verified. We have to verify it. Okay, so vary the sum. So left hand side is equal to this. Okay, so a minus b is equal to 60 minus 30 means 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Right hand side tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan a means 60 and tan b means 30. So we are putting the values and this is coming. Clear? So I hope you have understood this sum. It's very easy. So this was your homework. Okay, this was your homework. So now we will start the fresh and new sums for this episode. So up to this, hope you have understood it very well. So now let us learn the new type of sums. Okay, using the same property. Clear? So let us move. Okay, students. So this is a sum if a and b are the acute angles. Acute angles means the value of angle is less than 90 degree. Clear? So tan a is given and tan b is given. Clear? So we have to find out the value of a plus b should be 45 degree. Clear? So that means what? Let us now tan of a plus b is equal to what? What is given? Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b is equal to what is the value of tan a? Is given 1/3 plus half divided by 1 minus 1/3 into half. Clear? So it will be what? 6 will be the LCM. So it will be 2 plus 3 and 1 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6 divided by 6. 6 minus 1 by 6. So 5 by 6 divided by 5 by 6. That means 1. That means what we can write? Tan of A plus B is equal to 1 is equal to tan 45 degree. What is the value of 1? Tan 45. So tan of A plus B is equal to tan 45. That means what we can write? A plus B is equal to 45. So that means what we can write? A plus B is equal to 45 degree. So this we have to prove. So students, hope you have understood this. So it is given tan A is equal to 1/3 and tan B is equal to half. And this is given, this is the formula of tan of A plus B actually. Clear? Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now we are putting the value of tan A which is given and tan B which is given. Clear? 1/3 and half. And after calculating it is coming 1. So tan of A plus B is equal to 1 is equal to what? Tan 45 degree. The value of tan 45 degree 1. You can see the chart. Clear? So A plus B is equal to what? 45 degree. Okay. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the next sum. So students, here the sum number 2 for today's episode. Using the formula, this is actually a formula, tan 2A formula, okay, or tan 2 theta formula. 2 tan A is equal to 1 minus tan square A. Clear? So it is given, we have to find out the value of 60 degree and tan 30 degree is given 1 by root 3. Actually we know the tan 30 degree value 1 by root 3. Okay. So let A is equal to 30 degree. So that means what? Tan 2 into 30 degree 2A. Clear? So 2 tan 30 degree divided by 1 minus tan square 30 degree. So it is what? 2 into 30 means tan 60 degree is equal to 2 into tan 30 means it is given 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by root 3 square. Clear? So it will be what? 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by root 3 divided by 3 will be the LCM. So 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by root 3 is equal to divided by 2 by 3, not root 3, 2 by 3. Clear? Is equal to 2 by root 3 into 3 by 2. So it will be what? Root 3. So what is the value of then tan 60 degree? So tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. By the chart also you can understand tan 60 degree is equal to root 3. So that will be the value of tan 60 degree. So very easy. So we have to find, assume let A is equal to 30. So tan 2A means 2 into 30 means tan 60. And we are putting the value of tan A, tan 30, tan 30. It is already given and we are finding the value of tan 60 will be root 3. So hope you have understood this. So now let us move to the sum number 3. Okay students, now let us move to the sum number 3. Sin A is equal to, it is given root over 1 minus cos 2A by 2. Clear? Now we have to find out the value of sin 30 when cos 60 degree is equal to half. So let A is equal to 30 degree. Clear? So sin 30 degree is equal to what is given? 1 minus cos 2 into 30 degree divided by 2 is equal to root over 1 minus cos 60 degree by 2 is equal to root over 1 minus cos 60 means what? Half is given by 2. Okay, is equal to root over 2 will be the LCM. So 2 minus 1 by 2 is equal to root over 1 by 2 by 2 is equal to what? Root over 1 by 2 into what? 1 by 2. Clear? That means 1 by 4 root over is equal to half. Clear? So what is the value of sin 60 degree? Sorry, sin 30 degree. So sin 30 degree is equal to half. So by the chart you can also say that sin 30 degree is equal to half. So very easy. So let A is equal to 30 degree. So it will be root over 1 minus cos 2 into 30 means cos 60 by 2. Cos 60 is given 1 by half. So after calculating it is coming 1 by 2. So the value of sin 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 or half. So now students, let us move to the sum number 4. Students, now it is given sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. We have to find the value of sin 75 degree. So 75 means what? 75 means what we can write? 75 means what? 45 plus 30. Clear? So let A is equal to 45 degree and B is equal to 30 degree, because we know the value of 45 and 30 for all trigonometric functions. Clear? So now what is that? Sine 45 plus 30 degree is equal to sine A means what? 45 into cos 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30 degree. Okay. So it is what? Sine 75 degree. Okay. Is equal to sine 40 means 1 by root 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 plus cos 45 1 by root 2 into sine 30. Sine 30 means half. Okay. So now it will be root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? So root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 is equal to root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Clear? So it will be 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 root 6, okay, plus 2 root 2 divided by 2 into 2 means 4, 4 into 2 means 8. So what can 2 will be the common? So that means what is coming? Root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So that will be your answer. Clear? So that will be your answer. So that means what? This is the value of sine 75 degree. Clear? So this also you can keep, but it's better to omit the root from the denominator. That's why we are multiplying it with both the numerator and denominator with 2 root 2, and this is coming. Clear? So A is equal to 45, B is equal to 30. So sine of 45 plus 30 degree means 75. Now this was given. Clear? Only we are putting the value of A and B, and we are putting the value sine 45 and cos 30 and cos 45 into sine 30 and calculating. So this is the value is coming. Clear? So I hope students you can understand this sum. Okay. So if this type of sums comes in the examination, you can do. So now let us move to the sum number 5. Students, here sum number 5. So it is given cos of A minus B is equal to formula cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. We have to find out the sine 15 degree. So that just like the previous sum, 45 minus 30 means what? 15 degree. Clear? So let angle A is equal to 45 degree and angle B is equal to 30 degree. Clear? So cos of 45 degree minus 30 degree is equal to cos 45 into cos 30 plus sin 45 into sin 30. So it is what? Cos 15. That only we have to find out. Is equal to cos 5 1 by root 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 plus sin 40 1 by root 2 into sin 30 means half. So root 3 by 2 root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Clear? So that means root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. The same thing. Root 3 plus 1 into 2 root 2 by what? 8. Okay. So that means 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 by 8. So that means 2 common. So root 6 plus root 2 by 8. So that means root 6 plus root 2 by 4. So same answer is coming. Clear? So cos 15, the answer will be same, root 6 plus root 2 by 4. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Clear? So only I am putting the value 40, A is 45 and B is 30. So 45 minus 30 is 15. So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 6. Okay students. So now let's sum number 6. Okay. So it is given what? Tan of x plus 30 degree is equal to 1. What is the value of 1? Tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree and this is same. Clear? So x plus 30 degree is equal to what? 45. That means x is equal to 45 minus 30 is equal to 15 degree. That means x is equal to 15 degree. So that is your answer. Very easy sum. Clear? So tan of x plus 30 is equal to 1. We have to find out the value of x. So tan of x plus 30 is equal to 1 is equal to tan 45 degree. Value of tan 45 degree is 1. Instead of 1 we can write tan 45. So that means this should be equal to 45 degree. So x plus 30 is equal to 45. So x is equal to 45 minus 30. So x is equal to 15. Very simple sum. Clear? So hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the sum number 7. So students, this sum cot theta minus 1 by cot theta plus 1 is equal to 1 minus root 3 by 1 plus root 3. So component dividendo we can do. So now cot theta minus 1 plus cot theta plus 1 divided by cot theta minus 1 minus cot theta minus 1. Okay. So it is 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus 1 minus root 3 plus 1 plus root 3, 1 minus root 3 minus 1 minus root 3. Clear? So this plus this is equal divided by this minus this. Here also this plus this divided by this minus this. Clear? So I am changing the sign. Okay. So now this. So it will be what? 2 cot theta divided by this will be cancelled, minus 2 is equal to this will be cancelled, 2 divided by this will be cancelled, minus 2 root 3. Clear? So this sign will be cancelled, this will be cancelled, this will be cancelled. That means what? Cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3? Cot 60 degree. That means cot theta is equal to cot 60. That means theta is equal to what? Theta is equal to 60 degree. That will be your answer. Okay. So these sums also you can do by cross multiplying, then take cot theta right hand side and others left hand side, other right hand side. But this is the most easiest way to solve. Clear? Only this minus this divided by this plus this is equal to this minus this divided by this plus this. So it is coming cot theta is equal to 1 by root 3. Very simple if you use this method. There are many other methods you can apply, but it will be bigger, confusing. Clear? So if you can apply this, very easy and also time saving and also intellectuals. Clear? So now let us move to the sum number 8. Now students, it is given what? Sin of a plus b is equal to 1 and tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 and 0. That means that the sum of a plus b will be less than equal to 90 degree but greater than 0 degree. That means the sum will be an the acute angles. Clear? Find the value of a plus b. So very easy sum. So sin of a plus b is equal to 1 is equal to what? Sin 90 degree. So sin of a plus b is equal to sin 90 degree. So what you can write? A plus b is equal to 90 degree. It is equation number 1. Second is what is given? Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is the value of tan 1 by root 3? Tan 30 degree. So what you can write? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. That is some equation number 2. So 1 plus 2 we get. What is 1? A plus b is equal to 90 degree and a minus b is equal to 30 degree. We are doing plus, so this will be cancelled. So twice a is equal to 120 degree. So a is equal to 120 by 2 is equal to 60 degree. Okay. So from equation number 1, what? A plus b is equal to 90 degree. That means a means 60. So 60 plus b is equal to 90 degree. So b is equal to 90 degree minus 60 degree is equal to 30 degree. Complete. So value of a is equal to 60 degree, b is equal to 30 degree. See, and this condition is what? A greater than b, value of a 60, b is 30, that means a greater than b, and a plus b is equal to less equal to 90, that means the sum of a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So this is the value of a plus b. Clear? So sin of a plus b is equal to 1 is equal to sin 90. So a plus b is equal to 90. Tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to 30 degree. Tan 30. That means a minus b is equal to 30 degree. Now we are normal method. We are getting the value of a plus b by solving the equation number 1 and equation number 2. It is coming 60 degree and 30 degree. So it is very easy. Clear? Hope you have understood this. Okay. So now let us move to the sum number 9. Students, here almost same type of sum, tan of a minus b is equal to given and tan of a plus b is equal to given. Clear? And the same condition, okay, the a will be greater than b and the value summation of a plus b will be greater than 0 but less than equal to 90 degree. That means, okay, now tan of a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3 is equal to tan 30 degree. Clear? So what you can write? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. It is equation number 1. Again what? Tan of a plus b is equal to root 3 is equal to tan 60 degree. That means a plus b is equal to what? 60 degree. Equation number 2. Same 1 plus 2 we get a minus b is equal to 30, a plus b is equal to 60. So 2a is equal to 90. So a is equal to 90 by 2 is equal to 45 degree. From equation 1, what? A minus b is equal to 30 degree. A means 45, right? Minus b is equal to 30 degree. So b is equal to 45 minus 30 degree. Therefore b is equal to 15 degree. So what? The value of a is 45 and b is 15 degree. Clear? So that will be your answer. Clear? So tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, and this is the way how we can to solve, because a is equal to 45, that means a is greater than b, and value of a plus b is equal to 60 degree, it is less than 90 degree. So all the conditions are satisfied and this will be your answer. So students, hope you have understood this. Now let us move to the last sum of today's episode, sum number 10. So I think some easier sum we already solved, and slowly we will move to the little bit harder type of sums. Okay, so now let us do the sum number 10. Students, here 3x is equal to cosec theta and 3y is equal to cot theta. We have to find the value of this. No value of angle of theta is given. Clear? So how to do this sum? What do we know? Formula: cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So what is the value of cosec? 3x. 3x square minus 3 by cot means 3 by x square is equal to 1. 9x square minus 9 by x square is equal to 1. 3. Okay. So it is what? 3 into x square minus 1 square. Okay, no problem. So 9 into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. So 9 what you can write? 3 into 3x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. So 3 into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1 by 3. That is your answer. Clear? So see, if you don't know how to do sum, you will face the problem in the examination hall. Clear? The sum is very easy if you know how to do this. Okay? So 3x is equal to given, x by 3 is equal to given. We have to find out 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. Okay? So now what do we know? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. What is the value of cosec theta? 3x. So 3x whole square minus cot theta means 3 by x whole square is equal to 1. So 3x whole square means 9x square minus 9 by x square. 9 common, x square minus 1 by x square. But here 3 into x square minus 1 by x square. So 9, how we can write? 3 into 3 into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to 1. So we are keeping this 3 into x square minus 1 by x square is equal to, this is coming by 1 by 3. So that we have to prove. So it will be 1 by 3. Okay. So hope you have understood this. So this is the sum. So in the next episode, I am not giving you any homework because these 10 sums you will practice at home. Clear? You have seen how I have solved this. Now you practice this without watching, and if you are facing any problem, you can watch it again and then again try to solve it without watching. Clear? So that is the way you can practice the sums and you can get rid of your fear from mathematics. Now the thing is that in the next episode, some tricky sums we will do on this, and then we will move to the next chapter of trigonometry for board level examination. Hope you have understood today's episode and you like it, clear, and you also understand it properly. If you have any queries, anything you want to share with me, you can share it in comments. So meet you in my next episode. Thank you, students. Have a nice day.